Welcome to Jab Car Finder. We just took this car in part exchange. It starts and runs very well, but it had a accident at the rear, which I will show you, and we are selling as it is. It is diesel Toyota Granvia with a high roof conversion inside for 2 people. Mechanically, car is in perfect condition, engine, gearbox, clutch, everything is spot on. It is automatic diesel. Because of this damage at the rear, we cannot open the back boot, so if you're not bothered about it, just leave as it is, or you can repair this one. Probably on eBay somebody would be selling these rear gates, couple of £100. It has almost brand new tow bar on there. Car is actually running, you may be able to hear it, but it is very nice and quiet. The last owner kept it very well, but obviously due to this accident they just bought the new one. Interior is very tidy. It is a non-smoker and pet-free car. So this one is a front sunroof and high ceiling been converted, and it has a middle this cold and hot heater, something is there, so you can actually start hot and cold both way there, off there. It has this English radio has been converted as well. So this bed actually fold away, so you'll have 2 seats in the back, 2 in the front, and this fridge freezer. To black the whole windows off. So we have all this, that's nice, all this kit. I've never seen this before. I don't know, wherever it goes, washer, cooker, and it has electric curtains. That's quite tidy as well, up here in the roof. And it's got the table as well. The tires are quite good. You can see the damage again. So it's got electric driver seat, USB port to charge all your phones and everything, fog light, mirror. So that's 182,000 kilometer, which roughly 110 or something like that. Okay, so you have any other question comes in mind, feel free to call. I'm always here to help. This one is nice running if you're not bothered about the rear back end, so that's easy for good camping van. But obviously you can repair that, but you have to spend some time and effort to find the right door, or you can get that repaired, but that's something I don't have the time. I'm really sorry, otherwise I would normally do that. The link is below to go and check the price and everything. Thank you for your time today. Look after yourself. Bye.